which items from the prior year return may be needed to complete the current year return? 1. State income tax refund. 2. AMT for credit. 3. AGI adjusted gross income. 4. Gain-loss carryover. To answer this question, we need to be careful and take our time. We need to consider each of these 4 items and ask, is this something from the prior year return that may be needed to complete the current year return? Let's consider these 4 in order. So the first is state income tax refund. A state income tax refund from a previous year may be needed for the current year because, depending on how state taxes were deducted or utilized last year, may require all or part of the tax refund to be included in gross income. So yes, a state income tax refund from a prior year may be needed. 2. AMT for credit. A portion or all of AMT paid in a prior year may result in a credit in the current tax year. So yes, AMT for credit from a prior year may be needed. 3. Adjusted gross income. There is no item in the tax law requiring adjusted gross income AGI from a prior year to determine the tax consequences on the current year. So AGI from a prior year is not needed. 4. Gain-loss carryover. There are many gain or loss carryovers in tax. One of the most common loss carryovers is a capital loss carryover from a prior tax year, which may be utilized in the current tax year. So a gain or loss carryover from a prior year may be needed. Now that we've identified which items may be needed, which are items 1, 2, and 4, let's consider the answer choices. So choice A, 1 and 2 only. So this answer is incorrect because while 1 and 2 are both needed, 4 is also needed from the previous year return. So A is incorrect. B, 2 and 4 only. Choice B is incorrect because number 1, state income tax refund, is needed with respect to the prior year. So we can eliminate choice B. C, 1, 2, and 4. This is the correct answer. We've already gone through items 1, 2, 3, and 4 and determined which of these items we need from the prior year. We determined that AGI number 3 is not required, but the other 3 items, state income tax refund, AMT for credit, and gain-loss carryover, are needed. Let's look at choice D and see why that's not the correct answer. So D, 1, 2, 3, and 4 specifically lists number 3, which again, AGI is not needed from the prior year. So choice D is incorrect. So to conclude, choice C is the correct answer.